See the wall? You have the wall, but the muscle layer is not prominent. So hemorrhoids are venous channels. And then you have hemorrhoids. If it is lined by skin, this is the skin, because you have granular layer. Only the skin will have granular layer. You know that from histology. It is external hemorrhoids. Or it can be overlaid by colonic epithelium, and it is called internal hemorrhoids. You can have mixed type. Did you see colonic lining? So you should be aware of the possibilities of these hemorrhoids. No? It can embolize, especially the thrombose one, or the patient will bleed. So it's good to have external hemorrhoids because you will complain of obstruction or pain, whereas if it is internal, you might not notice the bleeding. No? So when you don't check your stool, there might be bleeding already. This one, this is largely organized. No? But at the periphery, there are already some capillarization. Largely organized. This is recanalized. What happens if it is, this is the hemorrhoids, it is strangulated by your sphincter? What will happen to this?
Necrosis.
Necrosis. And then?
Tatanggal.
Although theoretically there is strangulation, but usually they do not die. Meron pa rin konting blood supply.
Yeah.
So it will be converted into skin tag.
Skin tag.
Skin tag.
Pero Doc, hindi
The
na
blood
nagbe-bleed
vessels
yung
will
skin.
be effaced. What you will have is a polyp with a fibrous stroma.
Magliliit ba siya, Doc?
Ha?
Magliliit ba siya?
Pwede lumit, pero still it is converted to a fibrous skin tag, or what we call fibroepithelial polyp. So it's like a decoration which you would like to retain if you want.
Pero Doc, wala na pang blood vessels.
decoration.
Konti na lang. Otherwise, if there is no blood vessel, it will necrose. So that's very common, skin tag. That is a hemorrhoid which underwent ischemia, but not necrosis. So the anus here, lined by skin, exhibit what? Is this normal? Hyperplasia, lining it. The stratified squamous epithelium here is hyperplastic. Okay?